So from today, we start our syllabus. First of all, we see the definition of statics. Definition. After that, we see why we are studying statics. What is the uses of statics? So, the statics is a branch which deals with the collection of analyzing, interpretation, presentation, and organization of data. It provides tools and methods for understanding patterns and trends within the data, making interfaces about the population based on the samples, and making decisions under the uncertainty. After that, statistics widely used in the various fields including economics, medicine, social sciences, engineering, and etc. So, in the simple language, we can say that statistics is the collection of data or organization of data in that we have to we have to define the collection of data or organization of data in a simple way, like we have raw data of we have a raw data of 100 students, and we have to find that the average marks of the students. Then how we calculate the total marks and the total number of students. So this is the average, and we do with the help of statistics. The average, or we can say that the mean, is a part of statistics. After that, we see the types of statistics. Statistics are divided mainly in the two types: descriptive and inferential. So descriptive में क्या क्या आता है? पहला होता है central tendency, dispersion, correlation, and the histogram. In the simple language, we can say that the descriptive statistics is that in which we have a raw data, and we have to calculate from this raw data. For example, in we have taken previously, like we have 100 students, and we have to calculate the average of the students. So this is done in the central tendency, na mean. So we have to calculate a mathematical value. So this is descriptive in the help of graphs or mean, mode, median, and all these are in descriptive. So in the second hand, we discuss about inferential statistics. What is the inferential statistics? In which we have to we have a large data. We say we have a population. In this, we have take a sample, like we have a population of whole country India, and we have to calculate this the political review of the Indians. So we take a sample, like we take only 1000 people, and from this we calculate the review of 1000 people, and we suppose or we assumed that all have that same review that we have that 1000 peoples. Okay, after that, like inferential, we have hypothesis testing, t-test, z-test, and chi-square test. So in hypothesis, we talk later about the hypothesis in detail. So hypothesis is basically we have two, like null, and second is alternate. We just assumed that we taken this hypothesis now, this is correct for all the population. Secondly, we just see that this is not correct. We do the opposite to the null hypothesis in alternate. So after that, we discuss today only two topics. first is a central tendency. So first of all, a measure of central tendency. This is divided mainly in the three parts: mean, mode, and median. You also see these all the topics, or we can say subtopics in schooling also. So first of all, we have arithmetic mean. Arithmetic is mean is denoted by mu, and this is all the x1, x2, x3 is all the we have sum of data we have given, and n is the total number of products or items which we have given, or items. Okay, so mu is equal to summation of xn by n, or we can say that the mu is equal to the summation of fi into xi divided by summation of f. Okay, after that, median we have mainly three cases in medium. When we have a odd, then odd n plus 1 by 2. When we have an even item, then n by 2 plus n plus 1 by 2 upon 2. For grouped medium, we have L plus n by 2 minus C upon F into I. We also discuss some of the questions of mean, mode, and median later in, I think so, in next video. So at last, we have mode. Mode is defined to be the size of variable which occur most frequently. Like we have 2, 3, 5, 6, 2, 2, 3, 5, and 2, 2. In this we have 2 is our mode, because is 2 is repeatedly again repeated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times na. So this is our mode, and this is empirical formula, that is mean minus mode is equal to 3 times of mean and minus median. This is only basic concepts about statistics. Empirical formula tells that mean minus mode is equal to 3 times of mean minus median. This is only a basic concepts, or we set our some of the subtopics for our next of few videos, because we are working on probability. That's why we are just revising the things. So measure of dispersion, in this we check the spread, like we have this na, the spread बताता है dispersion. Okay, so we have standard deviation. Standard deviation is equal to under root of summation of f x minus x bar upon f summation of f. Here x is the each value from the population, and x bar you can take x bar as mu. It is a mean. So standard deviation is the square root of the mean as a mean of the deviation for its mean. Okay, then variance, it is a mean of the absolute values of the deviation of a given set number of their arithmetic mean. Okay, then mean is equal to summation of xi minus x bar, इसका पूरे का मोड का स्क्वायर अपॉन n is the size of the population basically, and as I tell you previously that xi is the each value from the population, and x bar is the mean of the population.